How about something real fun on the rancho tonight? A wonderful subscriber, Catherine, has sent me the Chef Boyardee pizza maker kit. So I'm excited. Let's do it up. This takes me back a lot of years. Chef Boyardee. So we're mixing one packet tonight. So that is one packet of the mix to 2/3 of a cup of warm water. We're going to take our fork here and we're going to work it all together into a dough ball. There is the dough ball all formed. I added a tablespoon of oil, as you're supposed to also. Work it in and let that rise for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to shape it on the pan. Now these kits, they don't come with the cheese or the meats. So I'm using some shredded Parmesan, some Italian style blend, and some salami. I also sliced some onion and putting down some canned mushrooms too, which I think will perform pretty well. So I'm going to try rolling out the dough here, and then I have my pan over there. I preheated the barbecue grill, and that should get up to about 400 degrees. It'll be nice. I'm using a baking stone in it too, very essential. So let's go ahead and roll this out. I took the rolling pin. It's going to be a thin crust, which is great, but it actually rolled out really well. Now I'm going to take the can of sauce and use half of the sauce because this is enough for 2 pizzas here. And then we're going to chop it up, fire it up, and eat it up. Woo! There's the sauce on it with the pepperonis. I was surprised. That's like a little bit looser sauce than I'm used to using, but let's not judge it yet. Let's top her up with the cheese and the onion, mushrooms, and the salami. Now, how does that look? Ready to go into the oven. We're going to make Chef Boyardee proud, although he may say, "Why are you cooking it in a barbecue grill?" Well, because we can. That's why. We'd like to be innovative here on the Rancho, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications. You know this is always an interesting place to be. Just to give you guys a look at the baking stone there. She is firing away in the old barbecue grill that's been rebuilt. Just rebuild the propane tubes because why fill up landfills with more barbecue grills? This one still runs great. How's that looking? Pretty good. We got about 10 more minutes to go, but it's a fine looking crust, and I think it's going to be really pretty good eating. I know you guys are eager to see the finished product, nice and steaming and looking good. There it is, a nice Chef Boyardee box pizza. Yum, yum. Let's give it a taste. Pizza time. Thank you, Chef Boyardee.